Hello, today we will guide you through how to merge shapes in PowerPoint. To get started, open PowerPoint and bring up the presentation where you want to work with shapes. If you are creating something from scratch, you can simply open a blank slide so you have a clean space to practice. Merging shapes is a useful feature when you want to create custom icons, combine design elements, or build more polished slide graphics without leaving PowerPoint. Once PowerPoint is open, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This is where you can add new objects to your slide, including text boxes, images, and of course, shapes. The Insert tab is the starting point for placing the shape you want to work with. From there, click on a sample shape. This means selecting a shape from the Shapes options and placing it onto your slide. You can choose whichever shape fits your design, since this process works the same way across different basic shapes. After you click the shape you want, draw it onto the slide so it appears in your workspace. Next, highlight the sample shape. In other words, click directly on the shape so PowerPoint knows that's the object you want to edit. You should see selection handles appear around it. That visual outline confirms the shape is selected and ready for formatting or editing. With the shape selected, click on the Shape Format tab at the top. This tab only appears when a shape is actively selected, so if you do not see it, just click the shape again. The Shape Format tab contains the tools used to customize the shape's appearance and structure, including the Merge feature. Now click on the Merge Shapes drop-down menu and select the Sample Merge option shown in your version of PowerPoint. This is the command that allows PowerPoint to combine or alter selected shapes into a new result. Depending on what option you choose from the menu, the final shape can be joined together, trimmed, intersected, or changed into a completely new form. As a quick tip, if the Merge options appear unavailable, make sure the correct shape is selected before opening the menu. Taking a moment to confirm your selection can save time and make the process smoother. That's all it takes to begin merging shapes in PowerPoint. Once you get comfortable with this tool, it becomes much easier to create custom visual elements directly inside your presentation.